We're right here at SRI booth with Myles. Not only is Myles, he just won the Dome in a super late model on Friday night. Tell us a little bit about that, Myles.
Yeah, it was a good time. We qualified fast time overall, really out of both nights. Won our heat race and drew a 2, started front row outside on Friday night, and was able to kind of get ahead of the game a little bit and get out in front, and that's where I stayed. So that was a really good night for us and our crew and really everyone at Moose Racing. So.
And then PFC brakes worked out great, didn't they?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I switched over to them at the beginning of this year. Randy helped me out, pick out what I needed, and they've been unbelievable. Actually, I need to get a hold of them and order some new ones for the upcoming year. But we raced about 24, 25 times last year, and they lasted all year. And pretty much up till the last day at the Dome, they reacted just as they would right out of the box. So
what do you plan on doing with all them big winnings you just won at the Dome?
That 5,000 was gone before we even got back to the trailer. But no, it's actually going to help us out quite a bit. There's some stuff we need to upgrade on. We race out of an open trailer right now, so we're trying to decide on, we got to get an enclosed, and we kind of are planning on running that Flow Racing Series Night in America next year. So, yeah, we're just going to upgrade the car the best we can and keep some new parts on it and just get prepared for next year.
Cool, man. Can't wait to see you next year. Good luck in 2022.
I appreciate it.